¿Y qué es lo que? ¿Qué es lo que con qué es lo que? Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Stephanie. It's your girl Stephanie, and as you guys can see by the title of the video, you don't know what's going on, so let's get right into this video. No surprise, I always look hurt in the beginning, but the final results, so I already started with the back, as you guys can see, and I parted my hair in 3 parts, one on top, one in the middle, one in the end, and I started with the middle to make my base basically, and then I went from back, go up, now I'm going forward, go up. So yeah. Why my forehead looks so humongous? Okay guys, so I have my hair all up. I also take out my edges, you know, to do the extra edges. And now watch me struggle to try put this in a type of not ninja bun, because that's what I try and do, so I hope it works. Try do these extra edges with this small flat iron. I literally bought this just to do these edges, and you know you gotta put some heat protection because we're not gonna get heat damage. No. Hey guys, so this is how I decided to do my edges, because what I was doing was not giving what it's supposed to give for me, so I just end up doing this, and I add the chopsticks, you know, to the Ninger Bun, and it's cute or whatever. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notification so you guys can be notified every time I post a new video. And bye guys.